Skillbyte here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace these license plate light covers and how to replace the light bulb. So these things are easily broken. They're right here. People step on here and trying to hook up a hitch, whatever. They break. But here is the replacement for them. And they're really simple, but first gotta put a new light bulb in it, and it should be a 67. Links in the description. Glove, or have at least a paper towel or something so that you don't get oils on the bulb. It'll burn out quickly. Line up the tabs, push in, not too hard. There it goes. And turn clockwise. To get the old one out, push in, turn counterclockwise. Now this thing, it's got a seal on it, and you're gonna line up the tabs like so, push in. There it goes. Turn. There's your light. That's all there is to it. Then test, make sure they work. So you might be asking why I didn't put an LED bulb in there. Well, you can, but I'll be honest with you. I personally don't want my license plate lit up any more than it has to be. That's my preference. If you want to LED it, go for it. It'll put out a lot of light, especially with the chrome bumper. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.